A manufacturer designs and produces a bike keeping the general masses in mind. So for some people, a 150cc or a 250cc, or a person like me, a 400cc is a right fit. What comes off the production line is definitely not what I would want to take it around the world. So there are a few changes that I would necessarily do it myself, which includes a fairly comfortable seat, because in case I'm traveling long distances, I need the right kind of comfort. So I'm going to change that. Now, I'm 5'11". I might want to add on a 40 or a 50 mm handlebar raiser, so that with the seat taking about 1.5 inches higher, it also impacts my front handling in case I don't raise it to the required height. So other than that, tires, they play a very important role. Knowing what terrains that you would want to do for a touring, it's important to wear the right shoes. Now, these are three important things that I would really look at. But other than that, the machine is made for you to enjoy the way it should be ridden and enjoy.